Hello, everybody. We're going to start with counting on today. When we count on, it just means that we're going to count, but we're not going to start at the first number. Usually when we think of counting, we start at the number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Today, when we talk about counting on, we're going to count up, but we're going to start with any number we want. So we can start anywhere. If we start right here at the number 4, we would count up by first thinking of the number that comes next. So what number comes right after 4? Did you get the number 5? Good job. 5 comes just after 4. So if I start at the number 4, the next number I would say is 5, like this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When you're counting, you can start and stop wherever you want. We can even get a bigger number, like this number. What number is that? I see the 1 at the beginning. That means it's a team number. Did you get the number 18? Good job! This is the number 18. If I was going to start at the number 18, I first have to think, what number comes right after 18? Did you get the number 19? Good job, 19 comes right after 18. So if I was going to count from 18, it would sound like this. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and so on. Good job. Wow, look at this last number. If I wanted to start from this number, I could. I can pick any number I want, even if it's a big number. Does anybody know what this number is? It's a 5 and then a 6. That makes the number 56. If you got that right, nice job. Now let's try to count from 56 up. What comes just after 56? Well, I know that when we get to the bigger numbers, we have groups of 10 and extra ones. And the extra ones just keep counting. So do I know what number comes right after just 6? The number right after 6 is 7, and the first number would stay the same. So I would have 57 next. Are you ready to try counting with me? Okay, let's start at the number 56. Here we go. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Good job. Now you pick a number. I want you to pick any number at all. Hold it in your head. Do you have a number? All right. Now, think about what number comes right after that. Do you know what that number would be? Then you're ready to count. Start at the first number, count to the next number, and keep counting. Go ahead. Great job counting. You can stop now. Let's try another one together. Sometimes we might use this thing called a number line. We've talked about those a few times in the classroom. This number line has different numbers on it, starting at the number 34. Let's start at the number 36 when we count. And we're going to count up 4 times. So we can see by looking at the number line that right after 36 comes 37. That's right, 37. So let's count up 4 times. Ready? 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Wow, counting up 4 times from the number 36 lands you at the number 40. You can use a number line to help you count on. That's one of the tools that we can use. Another tool we can use is a dice. So what I have here is a dice. I'm going to roll that dice, and we're going to count on from whatever number it shows us. You ready? Let's see here. What number is that? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 dots, so we're going to count on from the number 4. Can you count with me? Think about what comes right after 4. Here we go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job. Let's try it again. What number do we have now? This is the number 2. So let's count on. Ready? Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. One more time. What number do you see on the dice? Remember, you have to think of the number you're going to say just after that. Think of both of those things when we count on. Okay, let's count together. Let's go all the way up to 10. Ready? Say this number first. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job! Now your job today is to challenge someone. You get to pick the number. So you can pick any number. You can pick a small number, or you can try and challenge someone and pick a bigger number and see if they can count on for you. And then let them pick the number and you try it. It's pretty fun. I hope you enjoyed counting today. Great work.